Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Tacoma hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard, near the kick panel. Give this lever a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood partially unlatches. This action prepares the hood for its final opening step. After you've pulled the interior release, walk to the front of your Tacoma. Now, gently lift the hood a few inches and look underneath the front edge, right above the grille. You'll feel a small safety latch there. This is a secondary release mechanism. Push or pull this latch, depending on your model, to fully disengage the hood. With the safety latch released, you can now lift the hood completely open. It might feel a bit heavy, so use both hands if needed. Next, find the prop rod. This is typically a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Securely insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole to keep the hood safely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot from closing. Don't just drop it. Apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge to ensure it latches completely. You should hear a distinct click. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.